So now let's see how we can work around with the footer credit of our WordPress website. So for that, first of all, I'm going to go to Appearance, and then I'm going to go around onto the Customize section right here. So once I go ahead over here, you can see this particular site right here. And if you were to scroll down, you can see the footer credit right here. If you want to change around the footer credit, then you can access it from the site identity. Simply scroll down, and here you can see the footer credit right here. So now you can see that these are the different footer credits that you can choose from. If you want a custom footer credit, then you need to upgrade to a business plan to remove the footer credit. But let's say I want to, let's say, just show the WordPress logo, then I can just do this right here. You can go ahead and start a blog with a WordPress logo right here. You can see that I can keep this right here, website built by WordPress right here, and so forth. And that is how you can simply go ahead and change the footer credit according to how you want, just by choosing this under the site identity section right there. And that is how you can work around with the footer credit option inside of WordPress.com. And you can go ahead and save the changes to make it permanent. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.